Have you ever imagined a magical pillow that can stop snoring in just 1 second? Deep sleep is no longer just a dream. With SwingNeck, you can stop snoring in just 1 second and enjoy a restful night. This innovative product is equipped with 6 advanced features that go beyond a simple pillow, providing you with the ultimate sleep experience that technology has to offer. SwingNeck's AI, based on vast data, accurately identifies snoring amidst everyday noises. No sound can interfere with SwingNeck, protecting your deep sleep. SwingNeck's state-of-the-art AI technology precisely detects snoring and gently moves your head from side to side, just like a cradle, naturally stopping the snoring, promoting a deeper sleep. Every morning, check your sleep data on your smartphone and get personalized advice for improving the quality of your sleep. SwingNeck is easy to clean and portable, making it the perfect companion for travel or business trips. Snoring leaves you feeling unrested in the mornings, and in the long run, it can lower your blood oxygen levels, which can adversely affect your health. SwingNeck protects you from these dangers and helps maintain a healthy life. Get SwingNeck now at a special launch price. This is your chance to experience snoring prevention in a way you've never felt before. Invest a little for a peaceful night with SwingNeck. Experience a night without snoring in just 1 second.